Welcome to Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race, and I'm Vivan.
And I'm Supri. And today we're going to test the girls on something that's really important in Formula One.
Now it's time to get down to the business of F1.
And that is speed and skill.
We've seen how fast they can go in a maze, we've seen how fast they can get dressed, but right now it's time to see how fast they can go in a car. But of course, they're not driving F1 cars, they're going to be driving a specially designed go-karts. You call the girls while I take a lap.
Really? Slow motion में आराम से आओ. पूरी footage आप ही हो.
अरे वो मेरी ड्रामेटिक एंट्री थी, क्यों खराब कर रही हो यार?
अभी हो गया?
हाँ अभी हो गया. Girls looking good, all set to go?
Yes! Well, you do know that today's task is not just about you being grid girls. It's about being drivers, because you're going to step on it, literally.
Today you guys are going to compete individually against each other in a go-karting challenge. Today you guys will be divided into 4 groups of 3 girls each, okay? And you will compete against each other for the fastest time. The top 4 girls from across the group will then compete in our final round for our top position of 1, 2, 3.
So girls, you know the task now, and you look well prepared. And I must say, like professional racers in those jackets.
Yes.
Yeah?
Very professional, well, almost semi-professional, because the professional guys have, neck support, spinal support.
All sorts of support.
I'm not your supporter. Stop it.
उनको support करें.
Let's start the race. Come on.
This task is like bringing us the closest to the F1 experience, and it's so exciting. It's gonna be fun, a lot of speed and thrill. Finally, we'll get to experience that. And then we race like the Formula One drivers.
You have to make sure that you don't bump into the tires, otherwise it's gonna be tie-tie fish.
All right, so the girls are ready, the cars are ready.
Yes.
But it is a competition, so we do need a judge.
And today, judging all you girls is somebody who's got one of my dream jobs actually. And she's done pretty much everything that I've ever wanted to do, which is become a rally driver, become an interior designer, a garage apprentice, and even a hairstylist. So you can learn a lot from her. And she defies the age-old concept that women can't drive. Welcome the one and only Renuka Kriplani.
Thank you so much for taking time out.
I'm happy to be here.
And you've been to the Burg International track. What does that feel like?
Well, I've been there. They've not disclosed the track really to everyone, but what I hear from Narain and Karun, who've driven around the track, they say that it's going to be really exciting, the race. The first time something like this would really happen on a track, so I think it's going to be a really exciting race.
And how about the exciting race that the girls are looking forward to? Any tips for them?
Well, yeah, don't try and go your fastest. I know it's the odd thing to say, but racing is all about driving cleanly. So slow into a corner, the faster you are out of it. If you go too fast into a corner, you're never going to get out of it. So drive clean and you'll be quick.
Guys, remember, each group will be given 2 laps. Let's start our task for today. It's time to flag off the race.
It's really nice to be a part of this Airtel Grid Girls. I think they're going to get an experience of their lifetime. They'll never have seen the kind of glitz, glamour and glory that they're going to see on that kind of day.
Actually, I was nervous in the beginning of because I had done this go-karting in New Zealand once, and I had banged into a wall, so that fear was right in my head.
Well, anyway, it was really tight, very close finish right down to the end, so quite exciting. Three, two, one.
Really very upset. I thought I had good momentum going on the tracks. Something went wrong over that side where one of the girls actually crashed and they got into my vehicle, and I couldn't really pass through. I was yelling a lot, I guess. When I went a few steps ahead, like again, something happened with my tire, and they had to get me out of the, out of the cart. And it was very upsetting. I'm so disappointed that I could not finish the race.
I was quite stunned. I didn't actually expect it because I thought they were way ahead. I got stuck there and they took the lead. But then I'm happy that I took the lead.
Very, very disappointed with my performance. I actually didn't expect this from me because I'm a very rash driver. If you could see in the first lap, I was really taking it. I think I would have killed this task totally. But like this race, slow and steady surely does win the race.
I think you girls have learned pretty much the lesson: keep away from one another. That's how you get
Slow
in.
and steady surely
Slow
does.
and steady is what I've told y'all.
Yes.
But I think too much competition and too much aggression got to y'all. You need to back off a bit.
Yeah.
And unfortunately for you, since you didn't finish, like in all races, you don't get a timing.
The girls are doing really, really well. They've posted some great, fabulous times so far. And I thought since all F1 drivers started their career by go-karting, I thought I would try to break some records and get some F1 team to hire me. So while I do that, you guys take a quick break.
Whosoever's generalizing and saying women cannot drive, watch out.
मैं आज पहली बार ड्राइव कर रही हूँ. गो कार्टिंग इज द फर्स्ट थिंग एवर आई एम डूइंग इन माई लाइफ टुडे.